Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to collect payments automatically every month? In this video, I will show you how to set up recurring payments using PayPal subscriptions, perfect for memberships, services, or digital products. A PayPal subscription is lets your customers pay you weekly, monthly, or annually automatically. It's great for coaches, SaaS tools, content creators, or anyone who offers ongoing value. Go to paypal.com and log into your PayPal business account. If you don't have one, upgrade your personal account. It's free and only takes a minute. Just log in if you have already one. Then enter your login credentials. Then log in. From your dashboard, click Tools. Find the Tools option from here. Now select the recurring payment dashboard option. Then click Get Started. This is where you will manage recurring payment plans. Now, once you are in, first of all, check out the form or dashboard. Then select View All. Then create a plan. Or from Pay and Get Paid option, click Subscription. A minute. Now create a plan from here. Click Create Plan. First of all, enter your product service name, then product description. Product name like Premium Coaching Access. Next, set up your pricing details like product description, product ID, product type, physical or digital goods or services, interesting category like accessories, then product image, page URL, image URL, etc. So then click Next. Now choose a plan name like Premium Coaching Access, Premium Fitness Plan, or create a subscription product. Then Next, and select one from here. Then Next, choose billing amount like fixed price, quantity price, volume price, pick billing cycle from the plan section. Then enter your plan name, then plan description, then Next. Then select the currency USD, then enter price like 19.99. Then select the cycle, billing cycle. Optional, offer a free trial or set a fee. You can also limit the number of cycles of allow the subscription to go on indefinitely. Then click next and check out all details here. Then click turn plan on. Now customize your checkout experience. Add a product image and a short description for the checkout page. You can also set a return URL to redirect customers after payment, like a thank you page or course login. Then click turn plan on and choose your payment details color. Then click copy code. Once your plan is saved, PayPal gives you a link and HTML button. Just click on copy code or embed the button directly into your landing page, WordPress site, or sales funnel. Before going live, open your subscription link in a browser and preview the user checkout flow. Make sure the price, terms, and details are correct. You can even create a dollar test plan to simulate a real sign up. To view or cancel subscription, go to your PayPal dashboard. Again, go back to subscription tab. From pay and get paid option. Here you can see who's subscribed, payment status, and even issue refunds or pause billing. Pros: easy to set up, no coding required, work globally. Cons: PayPal fees apply, not as customizable as Stripe or other platforms. And that's how to set up recurring payments with PayPal subscriptions. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you are selling. Want tutorials on Stripe, Gumroad, or Memberful? Let me know. Thanks for watching.